Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today I'm going to be preparing Korean-style Gochujang Venison stir fry. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off with some neutral oil in the brazier. I have some venison loin chop. Basically, it's got a simple marinade of soy sauce, cornstarch, some neutral oil, and black pepper. Okay, now that the venison is cooked up mostly, we're going to remove it from the pan and set it aside. We're going to add just a little more oil. We're going to add the onion, red bell peppers, and green beans. We're going to saute these for a few minutes. Okay, the veggies are mostly done. We're going to add some garlic and some ginger, fresh of course. And we're going to just saute this in for about 30 seconds. We're going to reintroduce the venison to all the veggies. Get it incorporated. Now we're going to add the gochujang sauce. And we just want to heat this through and have the sauce thicken. Okay, the sauce is thickened, and on to the next step. And here's the final presentation of Korean-style Gochujang Venison stir fry. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have fun cooking.